Good morning, children, and welcome to my new class. So, let us start from where we had left. So, we were talking about Per and Joseph, and we know that they were sharing some kind of a secret and they were best friends. But till now, what we have read is that Joseph is no more, and Per has also grown old, and Per is not able to believe that Joseph is no more and he has died. So, let us read on. Jax clapped him on the shoulder. We will find another horse just as good as Joseph. Why, in a month you will teach him to know your route as well as Joseph did. We'll. So now he's trying to tell him that we'll find another horse for you. The look in Pear's eyes stopped him. For years, Pear had worn a heavy cap. He used to see here, you can see he used to wear a heavy cap. The peak came low over his eyes, keeping the bitter morning wind out of it. Now his eyes were not much visible, and he probably put that cap a little low so that the wind could not harm his eyes. Now Jax looked into Pear's eyes and saw something that startled him. What do you mean by startled? Surprised. He saw a dead, lifeless look in them. His eyes were not like normal eyes. The eyes were mirroring. What were the eyes mirroring? See here, you can see the picture. The grief that was in Pear's heart and his soul. It was as though his heart and soul had died. So his eyes looked very painful and full of sadness. Take today off, Pear, Jack said. But already Pear was hobbling off down the street. What do you mean by hobbling? Yeah, walking with difficulty because the feet or legs hurt. We already know that he was having a lot of problem while walking. There was a warning yell from the driver of a huge truck that was approaching fast. So from the other side, there was a truck which was approaching. There was a scream of brakes, but Pear seemed to hear neither. So he did not hear the warning yell of the driver and he did not hear the scream of the brakes also. 5 minutes later, an ambulance driver said, "He is dead," was killed instantly. So, who is he here? He is Pear. I couldn't help it, the driver of the truck protested. Now, the truck driver was very sad and he was taken aback that he tried his best but he could not save him. He walked right into my truck. He never saw it, I guess. Why he walked into it as though he were blind. So he says he was walking as if he was blind. The ambulance doctor bent down. Now the ambulance doctor bent down and he wanted to examine. So what did he say? Blind? Of course, the man was blind. See those cataracts. This man must have been blind for for at least 5 years. It means that Pear was blind. He turned to Jax. You say he worked for you? Didn't you know he was blind? See, nobody over there in that Provincial milk company knew that Pear was blind. No, no, Jack said softly. None of us knew. Only one knew. And who was that? A friend of his named Joseph. It was a secret. I think just between those two. So, what was the secret now? The great secret that they had shared was between Joseph and Pear. And what was the secret? That Pear was blind. See how nicely they had been carrying the milk and they kept the milk bottles outside the houses where they were supposed to keep them. How nicely Joseph stopped at every house where he was supposed to stop. So they had such a great friendship and they had this secret. And what was the secret? That Pear was blind. So I hope you have understood it. Let us look at understanding the text. Complete these sentences. Père Dupin knew Prince Edward Street very well because now all the answers are given directly in the book. How did Père Dupin know Prince Edward Street very well? Père named the white horse Joseph because, again, given in the book. Joseph was known as a smart horse because He followed the path without any kind of instructions or without Pear holding the reins. The wagon would roll down to Prince Edward Street without any direction from Pear because Joseph knew the way very well. Pear refused to retire. Why? So Pear refused to retire because he wanted to be with Joseph all the time. He did not want to leave Joseph. I hope this is clear to you. Now, answer these questions. Look at the title of the story. What secret does it refer to? Who are the two that shared it? Very easy. So, the secret that was shared between Joseph and Pear was that Pear had been blind for the last 5 years. How long did Pear work with the horse called Joseph? When did Pear probably become blind? So you'll find this answer in paragraph 2 and paragraph 29. Just now we have done that he had become blind some 5 years back. And how long did Pear work with the horse called Joseph? This is given in paragraph 2. I want you to search for this answer and find out the answer, right? Okay. The other drivers would laugh and say that every morning the horse turned his head and smiled at Pear. What did the horse actually do? Do you think it really smiled? What did the other drivers add to it as a joke? So it's given in paragraph 5 and 13. I'll be discussing the answers with you in my Zoom class. I want you to find out these answers and be ready with the answers so that we can discuss the answers in the Zoom class. That way, I'll also come to know how many of you have understood the chapter and you were able to find the answers or not. Fourth one. Pear says why a blind man could handle my route with Joseph pulling the wagon. Now, why did he say that? Even a blind man could handle the route. Did a blind man actually handle the route later on? Yes. Pear became blind few years after that. So, who did it and when? So, Pear did it and around 5 years before his death. In what sense did Pear and Joseph grow old together? They grew old together because Joseph was 25 years of age and Pear was 75. So for a horse, the age of 25 is like the age of 75. What prevented Jax from guessing that Pear was blind? So here we have read it on the top that Pear had always worn a cap which he kept low over his eyes. So the people had never got a chance to see his eyes. So this way nobody knew that he was blind. So I hope you have understood it and you'll try to find out the answers so that we can discuss them in the Zoom. So have a nice day and keep learning.